We're back at Stonham again. Some of the ploughed land has been rolled and Tom is now pressing it with a 4.6 metre night triple press. This is one of the 4755's usual jobs every year, along with ploughing and Patriot work. Its 650 Michelin rear tyres are ideally suited for all tasks, being wide enough not to cut in when pressing, but also acceptable for road work when required. The Night Triple Press was launched in 1997 and based on a concept developed by Taylor Gent of Flatlift cultivator fame. This Triple Press Plus model has 2 rows of rigid tines followed by levelling paddles and 2 rows of revolver press rings. Unlike cast iron rings, these use cast steel segments bolted to the spokes and have shoulders to stop them sinking in on soft soils. The following day, and Angus is rolling some more ploughed land with a 9-metre set of Hunt Manifold triple gang rolls. Meanwhile, Tom is still pressing across the road. The 4055 is being used, and with its wider tyres, dual wheels are not really necessary. The Hunt rolls are preferred for rolling ploughed land rather than the Opico hydraulic folding set. The manifold rolls were introduced in 1980 and, unlike conventional gang rolls, could be quickly folded in line for transport mechanically, without the need for hydraulics, as Angus is about to demonstrate, having finished the field. The drawbar of the left-hand section is unpinned, so it's free to slide along the wing as a sharp right-hand turn is made. It's repinned in the central position and the right-hand drawbar unpinned. Driving forwards causes it to slide into the centre, and it's also pinned in place. The wings are then folded in and the rolls are ready for the road.